Welcome to our lesson about the cycle playback feature. We did cover this in a previous lesson on repeats, but in case you missed it, I'm going to demonstrate it quickly again, since this is a useful feature to use when recording in stack mode or punching in and out, which we're going to be learning about pretty soon. Cubase can cycle a section of your project, and in this segment we'll be learning how to activate and use this cycle playback. Cycle playback is useful when creating and editing loops, and if you're editing at the sample level to, let's say, get rid of some noise. First, we set the cycle range using the left and right locators. I'm going to set the locators manually right inside the transport panel. And now the right locator has updated accordingly. Let's change our ruler display to bars and beats. This tells Cubase that my cycle range is going to be everything from the first bar or beginning of the song through to bar 3. We can also drag the locator to a position as well. Next, we need to click on the cycle button on the transport panel. It's blue when it's active. Let's click the Start Playback button. Let's stop playback. Cubase will continue playing the loop until we click Stop. We can also use the Range Selection tool to set a cycle. Now press Shift-G on your keyboard. And let's stop playback. Shift-G also works when you select an event. Let's select our drums audio event. Shift-G. And let's stop playback. When we press Shift-G, Cubase automatically adjusts the left and right locators around our selected range or event and automatically activates cycle playback for us. This concludes our lesson about cycle playback.